Let's learn English, phrasal verbs, idioms, slangs and connected speech.
Listen.
Phrasal verb, ease off. Diminuir a intensidade, a força ou a pressão de algo, relaxar ou reduzir o esforço em uma atividade, parar de pressionar ou criticar alguém com tanta força, fazer algo ficar menos severo, difícil ou extremo.
Ease off the pressure when the situation becomes too stressful for everyone involved. The coach told the players to ease off their training before the important final match. The rain began to ease off after several hours of heavy storms across the city. My manager decided to ease off the deadlines because the team needed more time. You should ease off your criticism because she is already trying her best. The government eased off restrictions after the number of cases dropped significantly. The pain slowly eased off after I rested and followed the doctor's advice carefully. The teacher eased off the difficult assignments to help struggling students improve gradually. The driver eased off the speed when approaching the dangerous road area. The company eased off its strict rules after employees shared their concerns openly. The wind finally eased off after causing problems during the entire afternoon. The boss eased off his demands when the workers explained their situation clearly.
Let's learn idioms.
Arguing about this rule is like beating a dead horse. This retirement is nice, but life is not always a bed of roses. My aunt has a bee in her bonnet about the new traffic laws. The contract was signed before the ink is dry on the final page. The new company is behind the 8 ball after that product failure. The staff will bend over backwards to make the client happy. Arriving late is better than never for the wedding ceremony. We drove slowly in the storm because better safe than sorry. My mother says better to give than to receive during the holidays. He found himself between a rock and a hard place with that choice. The comedian's jokes were beyond the pale and offended many. Let's learn American slangs. He has enough dough to buy a new motorcycle now. She saved her dough for a trip around the world. He spent $50 on that concert ticket yesterday. She earned extra bucks by working on the weekend. He pulled out a wad of Benjamins to pay the bill. She loves seeing Benjamins when she counts her earnings. He makes good paper working as a software engineer. She needs more paper to afford that new apartment. Let's learn connected speech. Doncha want to join us for dinner tonight. Doncha think this idea could work better with some changes. Did ya see the movie I recommended last night with your friends? Would ya help me carry these boxes upstairs after work today? Could ya send me the documents before the meeting starts tomorrow morning? I should have called my parents earlier because they were waiting for me. You could have told me about the problem before everything became complicated. I would have bought that laptop if the price had been lower. She must have forgotten the appointment because she never showed up. They might have missed the train because they arrived very late.
If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.